What's going on, guys? Gabe with Review Dork. Now, this video is going to be a little different. The title of this video is When AMC Gets Pummeled. And as we can see here, AMC down 2.54%, trading at 36.04, recovering from a low of 35.52. Now, we have to reaffirm the play here. It is a short interest play with days to cover on an uptick at 2.11 days and short interest elevated and increasing at 20.7%. Now, I'm obligated to share this data because this is all part of the short squeeze play. But what if AMC stock was just AMC stock and it was a long-term play? Things don't change except your time horizon. Now, I want to jump on Twitter because yesterday I tweeted, so they want to call us AMC apes a quote conspiracy theorist, crazy for holding. But do you know what they call Warren Buffett? Genius. And all he does is hold. Now, Warren Buffett has been quoted several times, and I'm going to paraphrase. If you don't see yourself holding a stock for 10 years, you shouldn't buy it. Now, I'm not saying that the squeeze would take 10 years to manifest. What I'm saying is that you have to calm your psychology. Now, you jump on StockTwits, Weeble, and you see factions in the community. Some are yay, some are nay, some are going long, some are going short. And, you have something like the West Side Story, right? They're just clashing. And it really is psychological. And you have to take the psychology out of the play and focus on what's right in front of you. Now, what's right in front of us? We see that the NASDAQ is down. We see the S&P trying to recover the daily high. We also see the same with the Dow and with the Russell 2000. It's literally committed suicide, and AMC is heavily weighted in the Russell 2000. Okay, so we have an understanding of why AMC is dropping. And the reason why I want to share this is because we can't keep giving the hedge funds so much power. They really don't have power. And if you want to better understand why the index such as the NASDAQ would be taking a dip, it's primarily because of the government shutdown. Now, what we see historically with the government shutdown is the hardest hit industries have been information technology, including tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Intel. And so that would include AMD and NVIDIA, those type of companies. Historically, government shutdowns since 2013 have only suppressed the market by 0.1% on average. So these are things you have to consider. You also have to consider that the market is extremely emotional. And we've been dealing with volatility and ups and downs in the market since last week, thanks to Evergrande. Yesterday, we were dealing with yields, and then today yields stabilized. What's really going on, and what can you do to change your overall perspective when holding AMC or pretty much any other stock out there? You have to look at the 10-year horizon. Now, I know we live in a generation of instantaneous success. You want to be instantly famous? Jump on TikTok or Instagram. Want instant friends? Jump on Facebook. Want to get laid instantly? Jump on Tinder. We live in an instant satisfaction society, and we tend to forget the mechanics of the market. Now, I've said this continually, that the market is in an upward trend consistently. Let me go ahead and just change your perspective and really help you take your emotions out of AMC and pretty much any other play you're in. So, what if you invested $10,000 on October 1st, 2011 in Tesla? Your $10,000 would be worth $1.6 million. What if that same year you also invested $10,000 in NVIDIA? Add another $720,000. So now you're up $2.25 million over 10 years. Need more proof? Let's look at Netflix. If you invested in Netflix 10 years ago, $10,000, it would be up $360,000. Let's get into the Bitcoins because everybody likes to talk about crypto. Crypto is a different animal, and I feel like crypto is really what has set expectations for the stock market. But you have to understand that crypto really doesn't have an underlying. So with that, crypto's all based on speculation. If we invested $10,000 on October 1st of 2011, you'd be worth 82 million cool bucks. Wait, there's more. If you invested $10,000 just 6 years ago in Ethereum, you'd be worth a cool $43.5 million. The point is this: the stock market rewards conviction. The stock market does not reward chumps. The stock market is designed, as Warren Buffett said, to create an exchange of wealth from the impatient to the patient. And keep in mind, guys, these are not just random stocks that you could have missed. These were stocks that in their day and in their time, they were all over the news. You were probably getting maybe an alert from fucking Jim Cramer at that time. Take your emotions out of it, guys. Give yourself and give your portfolio less stress. Give it more room to run. Allow yourself to breathe. And just know that we're holding long term, whether it's AMC or any other stock out there. You want to generate wealth? Well, welcome to the most powerful wealth generating machine on earth, and that's called the stock market. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.